Okay guys, so today we are working with a brand new company. I've never worked with this company before, but I already like their sense of confidence. The name of the company is pronounced Dolago, I believe, and I like their tagline, the leading hair retailer in the world. I love when companies just like dub themselves the best in the world. Like I need to know what competition they won or awards, whatever, it doesn't matter. The fact of the matter is I am going to be working with some hair I've never worked with before and trying something I don't think I've ever even tried before. So the hair comes packaged in this box, and in the box is the usual care instructions. Now the wig isn't in this because I already unboxed it, but it did come in your typical plastic bag with the hair net and the little space saver, and it does already come with an elastic strap with their branding on it, which I think is really cool. And yeah, and some wig caps that are too light for me, so I won't be using those. Now the reason I don't have the wig in this box is because I was so freaking flabbergasted at the wig. Like, I guess, let me just get it for you. Okay, so here is the wig. I know that I asked for like a kinky texture, right? I wanted a kinky texture and I got a kinky texture. It's almost like an Italian yaki type kinky, but I guess I didn't pay attention when they said it would be a bob. Like, I'm trying to figure out what in the three house am I gonna do with a kinky textured bob. I'm thinking blowout, but I'm also thinking maybe I'll try some natural hair tutorials. Now, the lace on this bad boy feels really nice. It has the, make sure I'm showing you guys everything. It has the internal lace, which is basically it's not a full lace wig, but it has well enough lace parting. The stitching is really, really, really nice. It has the four combs and the bra strap, and again it comes with that strap as well that's in the box. And I don't know, the parting is really nice. So like you get parting all the way. Let me see if I can, you guys know I suck at parting. Alright, so here is the parting, and I just love showing you guys like immaculate parting. Again, I haven't bleached knots, haven't done anything. I literally took it out the box before I started to film. So I have to bleach the knots. I am going to tint the lace, even though it's pretty, it's a nice color already, but I'm gonna make it a tad bit darker. And we're gonna figure out what to do with this, because what am I supposed to do with a kinky bob? I don't know. I thought it would be, I don't know. I didn't think I ordered a bob. Did I order a bob? You guys, I have been so spacey lately. We've been planning this damn wedding and I'm spaced out. So yeah, let's see what she looks like on so we can figure out what we're gonna do with her. Okay, so this is she on my head. We're a little close out. We're actually the closest we're gonna be able to get with this this lens. So I'm looking at myself in the viewfinder, and it's not bad. Like the hair itself, the kinky straight texture is basically blowout texture. You guys know I love blowout texture, but no one would ever be able to wear this wig as is, and maybe that's the point. Maybe it's not supposed to be worn as is, like the same way you wouldn't wash your hair and blow dry it and then kind of just wear it as is. I don't know. I'm not going to straighten it though. I think what I want to do is make this a Flexi rod type tester out thingy. I'm going to be using a variant size, myriads of size, I don't, whatever word you want to choose. I'm going to be using a plethora of sizes, from like this medium to like a medium small to like a regular medium to a small. So these are the sizes at your local beauty supply. If you can find them, find them. Once again, don't talk about my nails. We're working on it. It's been a very busy week and I need to take these bad boys off. So let's go ahead and throw her back on to my handy dandy wig head, and we are just going to use, I'm not sure if I should use my wrapping foam or my mousse. Maybe I'll use a combination of the two, and we're gonna go ahead and just, we're gonna flexi rod her up using the biggest ones at the bottom, and we're gonna go in a circular motion because I kind of want to keep this part in here. I kind of want to keep this part, but I'm not sure. Maybe I'll like, maybe we'll do a bang or something. I don't know. But let's go ahead and take this off my head now. First, what you either want to do is blow dry the hair straight, or just make sure there are no crinkles or anything in there. I really should be blow drying it, but I think it'll be fine. So for the back, I'm going to use these purple ones. These are the largest ones that I have. And for the width, I think this big is good enough. You don't really want the pieces to be too big. Makes it harder for them to stick onto the good old flexi rods. Okay, so you want to make sure the hair is nice and saturated, especially at the tip, because the tip is going to be really the make or break of this. So I'm going to saturate the hair. And start the root, and I'm twisting the hair around, so I'm not just wrapping it, I'm also making sure there's a slight twist. And so here's the problem with at the end, since this is a bob, it's very short. At the end you want to make sure it's saturated because it's going to be hard to like make sure that end stays put. So you close it up, do what you have to do to make sure that hair stays onto that flexi rod and it's not coming loose. Otherwise, you're just gonna have a straight piece at the end, and that's gonna really suck. And that's pretty much the basics of it. You're gonna wanna go ahead and repeat that step all over the head with different size flexi rods and yeah, different chunks of hair. I'm also going to be wrapping the hair in different directions. So that one I wrap going this way, this one I'm going to wrap coming towards me. Just keep the curls kind of like wild and free, I guess. I don't know what word to use, but keep the hair kind of wild. I don't want it to be too uniform once I take these flexi rods out in the morning. For short hair like this, you can also probably get away with using perm rods. They might actually be a little easier. Alright you guys, so basically I ran out of flexi rods, so I used some smoothie straws. Hopefully the wig is dry because it's been sitting for over 8 hours. Just kind of set it upstairs and went to bed, so let's see how this is gonna work out. Again, yeah. Okay, yeah, there's a straw method isn't terrible. Let's see. Alright guys, so right now I'm really Bob Rossing it up. Very Whitney Houston-esque hair at this point, but I kind of like it. Like, I feel like my inner, like, what is it, Afro, not Afrocentric, but like carefree black girl is happening. So I'm just gonna show you guys the box again. The company's name is Dolago. The quality of hair is very nice. I just don't think that the length is for me. I mean, it's really cool to do like shorter curly looks, but I don't know if I want a short yaggy straight bob. I don't know, maybe if I went ahead and just straightened it, it would have looked like banging, but I decided to do like a flexi rod type of deal, and the hair gets big. It gets like super big. The hair gets like super big, so that is a plus. I did have it parted, so once I'm just gonna show you guys the hairline. I didn't do much plucking. I did a little bit of plucking, but I knew I would wear a bang, so I was like, that's gonna be a waste of my freaking time to be sitting here plucking it. And yeah, I basically just kept like judging it with my fingers and with the pick comb until I got this kind of volume, and I actually really like it. I'm gonna be wearing it for this weekend with all of my thrifted looks. And if I would have learned how to do the freckle trend when it was hot and popping, I would definitely have on freckles now, but I don't know how to do it, and I'm not going to waste my time trying to teach myself how to do it. So I don't have any freckles, but I did put my little beauty mark on. I should have on my, I really should have on my Ankh earrings. I'm telling you, like, I be having looks in my head, but I only have them after I already do them, so yeah. But yeah, this wig has the, I do have the bra strap tightened. I don't have any of the combs in, but I did glue down the hairline just because I'm going to go Autobahn racing today, so I don't want my wig to fly back and fly off. So she's on, she looks good, she's happy, she's content. I'm happy, I'm content. Yeah, so I mean, I don't have lots of things to say about this hair because I didn't dye it or anything. I didn't bleach it, so I don't know how it takes to that. I know it took to the flexi rods pretty well. Yeah, this is just, I mean, it's kind of, it is what you see. It's definitely good quality hair. I washed it, blow dried it, and flexi rodded it up, and yeah, this is where we are now. So maybe I'll try a few different styles, try to, like, I don't know, put it up in a puff or something. But as far as the length goes, it's not my fave. I think it was straightened like 12 inches and curled maybe 8. So yeah, if you like short hair, you like natural looking hair, then this is the wig for you. I personally am a little bit more diva-ish and a little bit more wham bam when I wear my wigs. This just kind of reminds me of when I do my hair, blow it out, and then try to flexi rod it. So that's a good thing. That's what a lot of people look for in wigs, like everyday wigs. Yeah, by no means is this style a reflection of wig. I personally just can't style short hair. It's just me. So sorry. Yeah, but if you guys do have any comments, concerns, questions, anything like that, your favorite Whitney Houston song, please leave it down below. I am so excited to get back to work. I've been dealing with a lot of family issues, so I have not been uploading as regularly as I would like to, but I am back in the game. We're going to start doing some more colorful looks, getting everything back to where it needs to be. I'm going to start taking care of myself and doing some more self-care so that we are not stalling like we are doing right now. Anyway, I love you guys so much. Mwah. Let me know if you would wear this wig or not down below in the little box down below where you write your comments. Comment section. Down in the comment section, let me know if you guys would rock this wig or not, or how would you style it. I do need some ideas because I'm going to be wearing this wig, so I need some ideas. So go ahead and leave those down below, and I will see you guys in my next one. Love you so much. Mwah.